Family, I welcome you again, once again, to our channel. Those of you who who have been following us and who love what we're doing, we say may God bless you as you continue to support us. So today, I'm going to make goat meat. I'm going to make goat meat today. I'm going to make it simple for those of us who struggle to cook. Like, we men, some of us struggle to cook, to assist their wife. So today I'm gonna help us. We're gonna do goat meat pepper soup. It's a very simple thing to do. Nothing is inside. It's clean. So this is it's already washed goat meat. I'm gonna start to drop it inside this pot. You can see there's no water inside this pot. I think there is a why. So I start to drop the goat meat inside the pot. Do this sort of it inside the pot. Onions. I put the onions. This is crayfish. You can add as much as you want. Fish, it can be cow, it can be any type of meat of your choice. So this is Maggi. So I just spray it here. It can be one, depending your choice. 1, 2, and at least no more than 3. Right, don't be Maggi. It can be a little bit. It will not be tasted Maggi. We're gonna apply our salt. This is the salt. Some people don't take too much salt. You have to make sure you measure it so it's not the salt everything together. So now everything is mixed together. So I will now on the light. Light is on. I will now cover it. So this method is mainly for cooking meat, fish. If you don't want too much spicy, that's how the way you go about it. To give you the natural taste of that meat or fish. Allow the meat or the fish to produce its own water. Then you start to add your own water little by little to make it not to be watery but tasty. So now I'm gonna cover it. So it's gonna boil. By the time it boils, you will see that it's gonna bring its own water. So that will make it tastier. Thank you for watching. If you're coming in now, I thank you for watching. Thank you for your continued support. So now I'm gonna wait for it to boil. See? You can see? Now this meat wants out its own water. See the water? See the water? That is the goal here. They did not add any water. Good for him to make its own water. And that makes it tasty. It's already tasty. Sweet. So this is the goal. So let me allow you to boil a little bit. So if you want to cook food that is good, you have to measure the water. You don't just put a whole lot of water in your pot. I've been struggling to make something taste good. That's why you run into a lot of spice because already it is watery. So now let me add water. This is the water now. Go from the side of Very good. Black pepper. But it has its own flavor. Just it. Ah, fuck. Stir. Close. Allow it to boil. See? Wow. Yummy. See? It's boiling. See? But I'm going to stir it again. I'm stirring it again now. So, taste it. Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. See? Not that you need to be tender. You don't cook it to die. Tender. But you keep warming it. So the meat will not be too soft. Then I'm going to put vegetable. Vegetable. Not that I don't need too much. Yes. See? Don't need too much. Yummy! The soup is done. So good. Less spicy. Very sweet. Thank you for watching. This is the soup right here. Thank you for watching.